Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to make a view model in Roblox Studio. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So in Roblox Studio, a view model refers to the 3D representation of a player's arms and held items as seen from their perspective in first-person mode. To create a basic view model, you will need to design the arms and held items as 3D models and then attach them to the player's character. So first, create the 3D model. Use a 3D modeling software like Blender, Maya, or any other compatible tool to create the arms and the item the player will be holding in the game. Ensure that the arms and items are scaled appropriately for the Roblox character. Next, import the 3D model to Roblox Studio. Export your 3D model as an .fbx or OBJ file from your 3D modeling software. In Roblox Studio, go to File and Import, and select the exported model. Import it as a mesh part, and create the View Model script. In the Explorer window, right-click the StarterPlayerScripts or Starter Character Scripts folder and create a new script. In the script editor, write the code that will control the view model behavior. Now, attach the 3D model to the character. So, in the script, create a function that will attach the 3D model to the player's character. You will need to find the character's right arm attachment to position the view model properly. Use the C-frame property of the mesh part to adjust the position and orientation of the view model to match the player's hand. And lastly, test the view model. Test the game in Roblox Studio or publish it to the Roblox website to see the view model in action. Make any necessary adjustments to the position and orientation to ensure it looks natural and fits well with the character's hand. Keep in mind that the above example provides a basic implementation of a view model and may require further customization based on the specific design and requirements of your game. Additionally, if you plan to use this view model in a first-person game, you will need to handle the camera positioning and perspective accordingly. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!